Did you know that some animals communicate in complete silence using vibrations? Let's explore the fascinating world of vibration communication. First up, elephants. These gentle giants use seismic vibrations to communicate over long distances. They can feel these vibrations through their feet to warn others of danger or to signal a nearby herd. Next, spiders. They communicate with one another by creating vibrations on their webs. These vibrations help them locate prey and even find mates. Finally, we have the mole cricket. It creates vibrations in the ground by rubbing its legs together. This helps it attract a mate and sends signals underground. Isn't it amazing how animals communicate in ways we can't even hear? What other mysterious ways do you think animals use to communicate? Let me know in the comments.